To use the eraser tool, go to your toolbar here to the left or your toolbox and select the eraser tool. You can use the shortcut Shift plus E to use the tool. So this is the eraser tool. To resize the eraser tool, you can simply double click on the tool this way and go to size. And change the size according to what you need here. Or tape it yourself. For example, let's put 10. Then click OK. You can also change the angle. Let me keep it 0 for now. You can modify also the roundness. You can see that the roundness of the eraser tool is being modified. So let's keep it 100 here and 0 here, and let's put 10 here, then click OK. So this is the size of our eraser tool. We can make it bigger. Let's make it 20 or 30, then click OK. I think that looks fine. To erase a shape, we simply click on our mouse and start deleting, and you can do that as much as you want. Another tip is that you can resize your eraser tool using the shortcuts key, which are the brackets in your keyboard. So click on the left bracket to make the eraser smaller, or click the right bracket to make it bigger. Then start deleting. Now, I think that's all for using the eraser tool. See you in the next video.